Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch Series 7 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the text size on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, you can press the crown button or tap on the screen. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu. Here, find the settings icon and tap on it to open the settings. In settings, you should see this page, the main settings page. Here, scroll down and tap on the display and brightness. And right here you have the text size. Tap on it. And now we can adjust the text size by tapping on the icons on the left or right. Like this. You can also use the crown button, or rather rotating crown, to adjust it. Once you're done, go back. And you can also enable the bold text if you want to make the text bold, like this. You can also adjust the text size using the phone app. So let's open the phone app on our iPhone, the Watch app. In the app, tap on display and brightness. And here we have text size slider. And also, we have the bold text button right here. We can tap to enable or disable. And that's how you adjust the text size on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.